For decades, Okpoko was a name whispered in frustration. A sprawling riverside settlement in Anambra State, built without planning, cut off from formal infrastructure, known nationally as one of Nigeria's largest urban slums. No drainages, no paved roads, overflowing waste, seasonal flooding, thousands of families living on waterlogged land, reclaimed from the River Niger's wetland. Yet, today, Okpoko is being spoken in a completely different tone. Wide roads, modern bridges, drainage channels, street lighting, schools, markets, and health centers. What once symbolized urban failure is now becoming one of Nigeria's most ambitious urban renewal success stories. This is the transformation of Okpoko. Okpoko lies in Owerri local government area of Anambra State, strategically located between Onitsha, one of West Africa's busiest commercial cities, and the River Niger. In the 1970s and 80s, as Onitsha exploded commercially, thousands of migrants searching for affordable housing flooded into the surrounding wetlands. With no formal urban planning, no drainage master plan, no zoning regulation, informal structures spread rapidly across swampy terrain. By the early 2000s, population estimates exceeded 300,000 residents. Access roads were almost non-existent. Flooding submerged entire neighborhoods during rainy season. Waste management collapsed. Diseases linked to stagnant water became widespread. International agencies classified Okpoko as one of the largest slums in southeast Nigeria. For decades, the community was locked in a vicious circle: poverty creating poor infrastructure, and poor infrastructure reinforcing poverty. But then something changed. The major turning point came under Anambra State aggressive urban renewal strategy, particularly from 2018 onward, when the state government prioritized slum upgrading instead of demolition, road connectivity instead of displacement, flood control instead of seasonal evacuation. Rather than erase Okpoko, the government made a bold decision: transform it without displacing its people. This approach aligned with international urban renewal best practices, supported by bodies like World Bank and UN Habitat, which promote inclusive redevelopment over forced relocation. What followed became one of Nigeria's most ambitious community upgrading projects. Perhaps the most visible transformation in Okpoko is its road network. For decades, residents navigated muddy footpaths and wooden walkways suspended above floodwaters. Today, over 15 kilometers of asphalt road now crisscross the community. Concrete bridges connect neighborhoods once separated by water channels. Proper drainage systems now accompany every major road. These roads didn't just improve movement, they unlocked economic opportunity. Traders now move goods easily. Emergency services could finally access homes. Public transport entered previously unreachable zones. For the first time in Okpoko's history, mobility became normal. Okpoko's greatest enemy was always water. Seasonal flooding turned streets into canals. Homes became waterlogged for months. Sanitation collapsed. Diseases surged. Urban renewal engineers tackled this with massive drainage channels, desilting of natural waterways, reinforced embankments, and flood retention basins. These interventions drastically reduced flood risk and reclaimed thousands of square meters of usable land. Today, entire neighborhoods that once sat permanently underwater now host schools, shops, and residential estates. Urban renewal isn't just concrete and asphalt, it's dignity. Across Okpoko today, you'll find new primary health centers, renovated public schools, structured markets with sanitation facilities, solar-powered streetlights, and organized waste collection points. What was once informal chaos is slowly becoming structured urban order. Children now walk on paved streets to school instead of muddy footpaths. Ambulances reach hospitals instead of stopping kilometers away. Businesses now operate in permanent buildings instead of makeshift shacks. Urban renewal didn't just rebuild roads, it rebuilt hope. The economic ripple effect has been profound. Property value has surged, small businesses expanded, rental housing stock improved, transport costs dropped, private investors entered. Okpoko is no longer just a cheap housing extension of Onitsha, it's becoming a functional satellite city. Markets are expanding, construction activity is booming, financial institutions are entering. Urban renewal has turned survival economics into opportunity economics. Okpoko's story is bigger than one town. It proves slum can be upgraded without mass demolition. Urban renewal can be inclusive. Infrastructure can unlock dignity. Political will can reshape destiny. In a country battling rapid urbanization, informal settlement, and infrastructure gaps, Okpoko now stands as a template, not a tragedy. It tells Nigeria that transformation doesn't begin with bulldozers, it begins with vision. Today, Okpoko is no longer a forgotten settlement on the edge of Onitsha. It is becoming a model flood resilience community, a gateway city into Anambra's urban core, a symbol of inclusive development, a blueprint for slum upgrading nationwide. The transformation is still ongoing, but the direction is irreversible. From floating walkways to paved boulevards, from flooding to functionality, from neglect to national attention. This is the urban renewal of Okpoko, and this is what visionary governance looks like. If you believe African cities deserve world-class development, hit the like button, subscribe for more African urban transformation stories, and tell us in the comments which Nigerian community should we document next.
a network of improved roads, all designed to foster growth and enhance the quality of life of the residents of Okpoko.
Glory of God, we are commissioning this Oguta road. I think that's one of the newer ones. With the glory of God, we commissioned the Oguta road today, being the 18th day of March 2025. Amen. We commissioned the water scheme here today. I think you are drinking it, eh? Wonderful. Okay, thank you very much. Where are the pupils? I want the male, yourself, the male, the female, and the male. Two of you to hold the scissors and cut this and cut the scissors and cut the tape. Two of you. You cut this to the glory of God. Okay, cut it. Amen. Amen. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Education is key to the future of any community. With the free education policy of the solution government for public schools in Okpoko, hope of a brighter future is rekindled in the hearts of parents and children alike. Today, the people of Okpoko came together to celebrate not just the completion of projects, but the promise of a better tomorrow.
One thing that is certain is that who much is given, much is not expected. Okpoko people have seen the light of solution government. We are so much happy to welcome you to Okpoko. Now we want to tell you one certain thing. Come November 8th this year, we have 221 polling units in constituency 1 here. We are guaranteeing you that we will win the 221 polling unit without mixing work. Because you have so much love and we must reciprocate.